All right, guys, happy weekend to every one of you right there. This is a very realistic video that you need to sit down and digest properly. On this particular video, Very Dark Man is on it. Then we have Mr. Jollof on it. Yes, both of them came to mock Peter Obi. You are going to listen carefully what they are talking about. Yes, Mr. Jollof mocked Peter Obi directly. Why Very Dark Man mocked Peter Obi indirectly? By saying that Peter Obi going to the market to buy groundnut will not land him the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In fact, he went on by saying that there's no way Peter Obi can remove Tinubu in 2027. He also went on sarcastically that Peter Obi need to spend money the way Tinubu is currently spending money to win people to his side. I don't know what that means. But I'm not going to leave my own opinion right now because I don't want to put something in your mind to say. But I would like to listen to you, what you think about this particular video from Very Dark Man and Mr. Jollof and their stance towards 2027. My people, this is NWATCH Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I.
No discount. No discount. No discount. No. 7,000. Okay. Where's bring Baba get here. I go later. 10,000.
Yes, I like her.
Huh?
I like it.
As you come to your shop now, no, you say you're giving bribe, give him. They will sell your shop. I want to give me a product in that. Like this money you do this one. Like this money you do this one. Even this one, like this one. Vote for us. You don't pay. How much? 10,000.
All right, so I don't know why I'm just seeing this video. Whoever is in charge of Peter Obi's PR made a sack him immediately. It seems you people don't understand what is going on. Can't you people see what City Girls movement are doing? They are appointing the hottest baddies in the country. The hottest baddies. They got chief priestess in their camp. They got Obianuju Banana in their camp. All the hottest fine girls, all the hottest baddies. Now they carry for City Girls movement. Then they strategize. You go buy granules. They price granules. You are pricing granules, Peter Obi. For market woman, please, what message are you trying to pass? What message are you people trying to pass? You see, Peter Obi, it will be hard for Peter Obi to become the president, too, if we are being honest. This thing, now people like Atiku fi grab am. People like Kwankwaso fi grab am. People like Peter Obi, they are meant to just be who they are. You can't move this way and become the president. What message are you trying to pass? That you price economy. You see, said that Tinubu reach there, Tinubu go do what they do. Tinubu will buy everything. You know why? It will give those people the orientation and the sense that once he become the president, everything go nyafu. They go to sell their groundnuts nyafu. Market women no go dey stress to sell. If Atiku reach there, go pay for everything. At least those market women go put them for their brains. You one day when Atiku come, he buy everything. Jagabako, he buy everything. Oh, we there for market that day. Even say, okay, all of us for market, he give our union 10 million. Say, you go the price granules. You can't be the president. Whoever is in charge of the PR made a better second. Like I said, go back. City Girls movement. They don't get Southeast coordinator. Obianuju Banana. Cubana priestess. They did. Go different parts. They plenty. All the hottest bodies. All the hottest bodies. The bodies where get money. Then they buy balls. You dey go price granite. You are not ready. Yeah. But anyways, people like us that are realists, we know 1 million times. If you go up, come down. There's no way any of you shaking Jagaban in 2027 from what I'm seeing. You can't, unless if you are a dreamer. You can't. People go insult me now. Now insult me and say, na APC they support. Because anybody will tell the truth, na APC they support. Like I said, go and see what City Girls movement are doing. They are twerking around town. They are twerking around town. Yeah, this is our boss. This is our boss. Tinubu 2027. This is our boss. The priestess. This is our boss. Zakira. I look the boss. Zakira. Zakira 1. Zakira 2. Zakira 3. Obialuju banana. Oh boy. Parties just the twerk. They go do co-op with politicians. They finish money, they pay them. You know, buy balls. Laval gift too. Now I don't even see that. Laval gift. Oh boy, Laval gifts. They give sugar that the Val gifts that they did. Big baddies. City Girls movement, they play. Now you they say granuts, they play. You they go price granuts. Where babes enter town. See the way girls enter Abuja, shut down Abuja. You go get mine, the price granuts. You enter Abuja, you go the price granuts. Babes enter, they shut down. You go the bike, you go the price granuts. Go and sleep. You have nothing to do in 2027. Go and sleep. The video cut, my memory full. So the video cut. See, Peter Obi, you can't be the president like this, honestly. Just go and sleep. Like I said, watch what. It's supposed to give City Girls movement aura for aura. Aura for aura. Those ones, they strategize, they good price granuts. You will learn, and you will learn again the hard way. Don't play. Zakira.
Now Nigeria be the only country where say if I know they support wetin you want support, na problem. 2022, when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, before he emerged as the primary candidate for APC, now take carry a matter for head. February, now take carry a matter for head. If you now go look president page now, go check when they create that page for Instagram. Just go check. Now me start the awareness for president page. I don't want to use that brag, but it get where they go. When I start the race, the whole world, Everybody. Sote, who speeds Darlington Akpi, say, make people follow me. Different comedians, them, all these influencers, them. Some way they under Edo Pikin. I'm not getting any issue with them. But some way be Edo Pikin boys there. That's so they social media. They don't give her money, your love, na betray ya, not be smoting. Today, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na president for this country. Today, Obi Kubana, when if he not get workforce, people where they work on that, where they pray every day, say, make our organ not die, yo. He passed 2,000. People when they pay salary, they pass 2,000. They go pass so, but I just put on the average 2,000. Kubana chief priest, if he not get workforce, he get 1,000. They support APC. People where they work, una will not get anybody where they depend on una. Where month ends. Una they cost people where people they depend on. What a life. I like the pressure where they feel now. Because when I start that race that time, they be my senior bros then. Many laugh me. But today they don't join wait I start that time. When Egbon Vodi, they give people Tinubu cap now. Now me start to the so Tinubu cap for Vodi store. Me, Jollof. Today, if people know they work for Vodi, they pass 1,000. For Vodi to they carry a cap, Tinubu cap they give people. You feel say na fool. For Big Kubana to support Tinubu, you feel say na fool. For Kubana Shivers to support Tinubu, you feel say na fool. For even Elumelu, we go see Tinubu, the Africa Elon Musk, person where they give $5,000 for people who say you won't be an entrepreneur, they give you startup capital $5,000. Many of them because una not fit write proposal. Now make una know they feed the key in. Una not fit feed the form of Tony and Mulu Foundation. Una not fit key to $5,000. You don't talk to a millionaire for this country. $5,000. They don't come give you mentorship again, not to manage the money, money not finish. These are the people supporting Tinubu. But you will nobody they depend on. You will not they feed anybody. You will they live from hand to mouth. And they look at Isaac Fayoshe. He said, what $11 million? You not feel boast of people where you don't make. Go look the Obi Kubana, they don't make people. Go look the chief priest, they don't make people. People don't make people. Go look the Vodi, they don't make people. How many people you don't make? You keep $11 million for accounts. You they rake. You be poor man. A wealthy man invest in people. Now be rich man. They not they get money for accounts. If problem there today now, you go, you're the points the people will go solve the problem for you. Now be rich man. Tinubu invested in people. Now make her be president today. You will be senior bros. Because I don't just know who let the dogs out. You Isaac Fayoshe. Who give you this social media where they use? Go sell your this thing, make your money, they go. Every day you as a bros. You come on social media and talk loudly. Say, when I live in Unadikano, where some of them born airports. I be Unadikano where some of them born police station, where they key uniform men. Now that kind of person, you as a bros, learned man, no. Wait for your family, when I don't produce governor. And you they talk loudly because you won't just talk. Whether they pay you for Facebook, now NAIJA the $11 million where you say you get to, we don't know. You be senior bros. Behave like senior bros. Behave like senior bros. Now bros they call you, Egbona they call you. What did Kubana chief priest do you? He choice. So. And I like as they join now. Because the pressure of Nigerians, I won't beg them. The pressure will make some of them come out for the race. Because now so they pressure me that time. But thanks to Sheyi Tinubu when he hearts, na heart of gold. Because Jollof is my brother. We are for day to day. Because of una go push person, come out for where it's supposed day before. But God say mercy say no. Kubana ship is now give me my first G for Glevidish when I theater first class go Scotland. They pay me block. He add food for my table. Obi Kubana outcall. when he open Cubana Bitters, when he do Cubana Millennium Home, when he do anything, even vice speaker self for rich and famous, he bring 10 what we do as giveaway. One of these speakers not be about 750,000 where they dash DJs there to improve their skill, where they on their normal system, where they do their DJ skill, till they package. So when they go big feed, they go feed destroy everywhere. Creation of wealth, making people, building smart homes. Now call just the talk, because I want talk, when I get social media, just they talk, they bring people down. When I try to bring me down, I far. I die. I did the social media now. Tinubu go be 2-time president for this country.
100.
Inshallah.
Cubana Chief Priest and Obi Cubana joining Asiwaju in campaigning under the banner of City Boy. Although I don't know how an 80-year-old man can be a boy, but City Boy organization. The only thing I have to tell Nigerians is, number one, Nigerians overrate public figures. You overrate public figure. Obi Cubana and Cubana Chief Priest have 1 vote each. You also have 1 vote. The only part I do not quite agree with is the ethnicization of their defection. That because they are from a particular ethnic group, so they are now supporting this person, that makes them bad. Of course, a bad person is a bad person, regardless of the ethnicity, of the religion, of the faith. A greedy person is a greedy person. Alright? And these people, you see, they are pursuing, they are chasing their own business interest. As a Nigerian, what is your own interest? Your own interest is to have a government that is responsive to you, a government that answers to your need, a government that attends to all of the problems that you may be having, so that you can thrive in a society that answers to its citizens. That is why no matter what anybody is doing, it should not be your business. Your primary concern should be how to elect a government that answers to you. And in 2027, we are going to insist on it. Let everybody, all the bad people in Nigeria, let them go to one side. All the people that want to package their business interests, they want to protect their business interests, let them go to one side. And if you look at these people, they all have FCC case file. Let them go to one side. Then let Nigerians be on one side. And on this side, we'll be on the side of progress. And on this side, we'll be on the side of decision. All of them put together, no reach 5,000, no reach 10,000. Nigerians are 300 million. So how can these small persons be intimidating the rest of us? So please, leave those men. Don't bother about them. Forgive them. Relax. Calm down. Focus, and Nigeria will be better in our time.
For Nigeria to be better in our time, we all must come together to speak in one voice, speak in unison. That's the only way Nigeria can be better in our time. And we'll be saying that for a while now. And you are getting old, I'm getting old, we all are getting old. With the way things are going right now, everybody's divided. It doesn't look like Nigeria is going to be better anytime soon. For any reason, 2027, we could not get it right. Let's be honest ourselves. We are divided. 2027 is still far away, or rather, it's close. We are already divided. This is Nigerian Watch Media. Like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel, join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I.